Hello guys, welcome. We're here to bring to you another presentation, and this time we will be focusing on uninterruptible power supply. Now, a UPS as it is a machine that provides emergency power to anything that plugs into it in the event of main power failure. Although UPS operates in a similar manner to a generator, and both systems are designed to provide backup power. With the UPS, there is no gap in power, and it is designed to provide a backup supply so that you can safely shut down your electrical devices and avoid damage. A generator may have a brief interruption of power before kicking in and thereafter providing hours of power, whereas a UPS is mainly for protecting your equipment against power outage and surges, saving you from potential damage. Since UPS systems work on batteries, their hours of usage are limited, but there are necessities, especially in areas prone to power cuts. Uninterruptible power supply types UPS machines are used in various fields, from industrial, manufacturing, computer and communication, to medical and military application. Some UPS systems are specifically made for operation in high temperature environment. Nowadays, UPS devices can be found wherever there are computers and servers. Uninterruptible power supplies have become imperative, especially in industry where a power outage can have severe and perhaps even life-threatening consequences, such as in hospital. The types of UPS system we have selected below are for general homes and office use and are superb option for backing up your work and keeping your electrical devices safe. Choosing the best UPS power supply. The main factor to consider when choosing the best UPS system for you is how many devices you want to plug in it. This will determine how many outlets you should look for and also the wattage. Another factor is how much you're looking to spend. Whatever you're after, it is okay as long as it meets the selection criteria of the power supply system and the demand. The main component of the UPS comprises of rectifier, the charger, the battery, and the inverter, as well as internal switch, such as a static switch. Alright? UPS may also comprises of external maintenance, UPS bypass, and UPS maintenance bypass. Okay, so let us explain these main components of the UPS system. Now, the rectifier is part of the UPS, converts incoming alternating current and supply to direct current. It also provides charging current for the battery and the inverter. The charger of the UPS is separate, and it is designed to provide charging to the battery unit. This is common on large UPS systems and less common on small sub 3 kVA units. Battery provides storage. Alright, So it's a storage device, and mostly they are the VRLA batteries. Now, keep all batteries charged by use of a rectifier or the charger. Now, the battery storage capacity is a measure of the ampere hour. That's the number of amperes of current that the battery can supply for an hour. Autonomy is the length of time in the minutes of the available electrical power stored ready for use. Alright, so simply explain in the length of time the VRLA batteries or batteries will support the UPS load. There will be a number of limiting factors depending upon the application. Batteries can be discharged at a lower level should the design call for a shorter autonomy. In the case of the emergency lighting, where there is a requirement for a long autonomy. Therefore, the condition helps to allow the maximum design life of the battery. Alright, so the amount of current delivered to the load, right, in times and minutes would be the autonomy of the battery. So the next thing we're going to look at is the inverter. This part of the UPS or uninterruptible power supply provides an AC output to the unit. Typically, the UPS inverter is always in phase with the input main supply due to the number of conversion from alternating to AC and back to AC. This filter is termed as a clean supply. Alright, so after the supply is turned or over converted from AC to DC, alright, we acquire the cleanest supply because it is filtered through the inverter in action. Now the static switch. This circuit is a relay, more commonly achieved by using thyristor, a key UPS component. Importantly, its purpose is to switch the load between the inverter and the utility supply. At all times, the output of the inverter is always in phase with the utility main supply. Therefore, any switching between the two will be virtually seamless. This arrangement ensures that if the inverter experiences an overload condition or situation, the circuit will transfer the load to the more resilient main supply. Alright? Now, the external maintenance UPS bypass. Now, wall mount or wraparound bypass. The external maintenance bypass allows the UPS to be removed, replaced without interruption to the load, as well as if the actual maintenance bypass is fed from supply. Right? It will allow UPS load testing. Typical engage during a repair, checking of the autonomy under simulated load condition. Alright, so the external bypass, is used under repair, checking or retesting autonomy. See how long you have available usage. So ensure the site load is supported. So by the external maintenance bypass circuit, more commonly, this is used when allowing the UPS system to be bypassed on a standby diesel generator power. When batteries are replaced and removed, right, can only be done by placing the UPS supply into the external bypass. So the next one we're gonna look at is the UPS maintenance bypass. All right, so by typical founding or typical found in small UPS system, right? So the arrangement allows the load to be transferred under the control condition to the utility means. The UPS would be shut down without loss, normally carried out for routine UPS maintenance or UPS repair. So in this condition, what we're saying is that the switching is done internally, right, within the UPS system during maintenance, right, and testing condition versus the external maintenance bypass. Right, so this is a feature built in within our UPS system. So we have to use them wherever it's necessary or best suited. All right, so that is it, folks. Please give us a like and subscribe to our platform, and don't forget to visit us at www.vigilantsocietyofengineers.com for more information on UPS systems and electrical codes and so forth. So stay tuned to this platform. Continue, come back for more, and make sure as you subscribe, you share it with your friends and to all electrical professionals who working within the field. Right? So thank you and have a nice day.